Hi, my name is Ashley Olson, and today I am doing an experiment that has to do with iodine, cornstarch, hydrogen peroxide, distilled water, and vitamin C. So, in this experiment, I was a little nervous to do it just because there's kind of a lot of steps that are a little tricky, in my opinion. But to start out the experiment, I created what is solution A. So in solution A, the I crushed up 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C, so the pill forms, crushed them up and put them in a glass with some distilled water. And when I mixed up the water, it was only about 15 milliliters of water, but when I mixed it up, it was very like cloudy, and the vitamin C doesn't dissolve all the way. And so I um, filtered the solution with coffee filters into a glass, and that is how it became clear. So that to when my solution filtered, it was only about this much, and um, what I did with this is I added iodine into that solution, and the iodine, is it's like a brownish kind of orangey color, and when it was poured into the solution, it first appeared as that color and then it went back to its original color, as in the solution's original color, which was clear. So with once that happened, I added 500 milliliters of more distilled water into the solution to get it the height it is. So that is solution A. And solution B here. So this solution, I don't know about how it's going to work just because it's supposed to be a little more clear. So my solution actually was a lot more cloudy than this, but this is as clear as I could get. So what I did to make this solution is I took a little bit of cornstarch. I just measured out maybe a fourth of a spoonful, just a little bit, put it in, put some distilled water with it, stirred it up, and it was cloudy, so I microwaved it until boiling, which was about a minute, and that is what made it more clear. Then I filtered it through 4 coffee filters, and it was supposed to come out a little more clear than this, I believe, but this is what we ended up with. I then added 150 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide to this solution to get it the height it is. So what I'm going to do with solution A and solution B is I'm going to combine them into this glass, and these solutions are supposed to react with each other, and the solution is supposed to turn a bluish color. So we will see how it goes. In the video they had said you could I'm going to pour a little bit of solution A in, and they said then you should pour the same amount of solution B in. So again, I'm a little nervous to see what happens with the color just because of my water being a little cloudy. So I guess now it's just a waiting game. In the video they said it shouldn't take too long. And I don't know if it's just me, but I can kind of see it starting to turn blue. It's a lot, it's still cloudy, but it looks different than when I combined the two. So this might actually work for us. Yep, I think it's turning. Let's see how blue it will actually get though, with the solution B being a little more cloudy. If I were to do this experiment again, I think I would keep filtering solution B to make it less cloudy or clear, because I think that has a lot to do with the reaction and the changing of the color. But I'm thinking maybe since it's cloudy, it's going to take a while to turn color, even though we can kind of see it has started to change color. So I think that is all for my experiment, and I hope you enjoyed.